Leo. Huh? Hey, why are you so silly? You silly boy. You silly boy. Look at you standing up on your own. What are you doing? Are you chewing on the smelly couch? Are you chewing on the smelly couch? You silly. You done? Oh, you gonna play some drums? Alright. Say goodbye. Say goodbye.